Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tiffany. I am so glad you're here. So today I have this delicious savory paleo chicken recipe for you that you can easily make in your crock pot. But first, subscribe down below if you haven't yet and click that bell button so you know when I upload next. So during this past week at night, the air has been feeling a little bit more crisp, we've been getting more wind, and I can feel fall approaching. With that being said, I know that the kids are back in school and things can get a little bit more hectic during that time, so why not have this really quick, easy recipe you can throw in the crock pot and it'll be ready when you get home. And it's just so good, and it's super healthy too. So going into fall, I just want to make sure that I continue to eat healthy through fall, even though there are going to be times where I'm definitely going to be treating myself, and I just cannot skip out on the delicious foods that, come up during the season, like Thanksgiving, or my pumpkin spice lattes, or just pumpkin bread, stuff like that. I just can't skip out on that stuff. So during the week, I'd like to make sure I completely eat healthy and clean, and this is what I have for you guys. So I have all the ingredients laid out in front of me. Like I said, it's so healthy, it's a very clean meal, and if you're not into paleo or that's not a diet you're on, you can totally eat this with some naan bread or French bread, tortillas, tortilla chips, anything you'd like, and you can even add some cheese in there if that's what you'd like to do. So I'm using as many organic products as possible. Also, this recipe, you can make it with chicken breast or you can use chicken thighs. I completely ran out, so I do have chicken breast tender strips that I will be using instead, which I already have placed them in my slow cooker. And I will put the recipe down below so you guys can access that easily. What I have here is the coriander, the cumin, and the cardamom, and a little bit of cayenne pepper. We have a medium diced onion, and I'm cheating today, so these are my 3 cloves of garlic. You can use 3 to 4, I prefer to use 3. I have some diced ginger root. I have 1 lime, and there's a ginger root and the garlic. I was gonna use, I can't find my garlic mincer. And then we have cilantro, and you're gonna need 1 can of 6-ounce tomato paste, 1 can of full fat coconut milk. These are the spices I already named off, and I love using this Celtic sea salt. It adds a lot of flavor to your food. It is amazing. And I will also add a little bit of Himalayan salt. I'll put the recipe down below, but I prefer to just salt it to taste because everyone prefers their food salted a little bit different. So we're gonna go ahead and take all of these ingredients and saute them. We're gonna save the lime and the cilantro for later. So let me bring you along so we can go ahead and saute them. You're gonna wanna start by turning on your stove to about medium heat, adding 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Then you're gonna wanna saute that till it's melted. Next, you're gonna go ahead and add your diced onion, and I would suggest sauteing it for about 30 seconds. Now you can add your spices, your garlic, and your ginger root. You're gonna go ahead and want to saute this for about 2 minutes until it is fragrant, just keeping an eye that it does not start to burn. Next, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna add some salt, and then you're gonna go in and stir that up and add your can of tomato paste. As you can see, it's a little bit hard to get out of the can. Now I'm adding a can of full fat coconut milk, and you're gonna wanna go ahead and make sure that's completely dissolved. So there I am stirring it all up until it starts to kind of bubble a little bit. Now I'm gonna transfer it into my crock pot and close it up. Okay guys, that was a really quick, simple recipe. Now once this is complete, all you're gonna have to do is pull out that chicken, shred it up with a fork, and then take the chicken and place it back into the crock pot and stir it up, and it's gonna be ready to serve. And then you can go ahead and garnish it with your lime, with some cilantro, and if you do dairy or you wanna eat bread, you can go ahead and add that to your meal. So in the meantime, while that's cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and chop up the cilantro and a little bit more lime for garnish, and I will check back with you guys so I can show you the finished dish. Hi everyone, so I'm back. I just want to show you the finished dish. So all you have to do, as I was saying before, is pull out the chicken once it's done cooking and shred it with a fork, put it back into the pot and stir it up, add your lime juice, and then stir that up, and then you can garnish it with cilantro. So this is what we're having tonight. It's steamed rice with a savory paleo chicken, salad, and some naan, and Let me know how you like the recipe. You can also probably make this like with veggies instead of the chicken, or maybe add tofu instead of the chicken in case you don't eat meat. Let me know down below if you enjoyed this recipe. Like and subscribe this video. Also, let me know if you want to see more future recipes on my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys!